how to run Python code in Replit. Open up Replit. From the left hand side, you will then need to choose developer frameworks. Python is going to be the first option here, so just select Python and then you want to click on Remix. Here you will choose the privacy and just click on Use Framework. Once you click on Use Framework, then right here the system is going to start up and you want to click on Run.Replit entry point. Right here it is going to show you what the current Python entry point looks like. You also have this green button to run it, and if you want to code, all you need to do is to type. Now if you want to add code yourself, you will click on this icon in the top right, toggle files, and then you will see main.py. Click on it, and here you can just type the code which you want to use and press on enter, and now you can run the code again by clicking on the green button here, and once you click on it, it is going to show you the console here, and it works just like that. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.